So how long will this XRP pump last? Well, I've got answers for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what's causing the pump. And did you hear about Ledger? Yeah, scary stuff here. Our crypto might not be as safe as we thought. And Brad Garlinghouse says, hey, if things keep up, more firms are going to leave the US, with other countries sitting there with open arms welcoming them. Heat map, you get it. So let's move on. Bit Digital to expand Bitcoin mining in Iceland amid US regulatory pressure. So now you even have the Bitcoin miners out there looking to set up shop outside of the United States, trying to avoid high taxes along with energy scrutiny. So it's not just crypto, but also the Bitcoin miners. And oh my God, it's storming like the dickens outside. So if I lose power, don't worry, I'll just restart the video and edit it all over again. SHIB XRP88 now tradable on TradingView. Yeah, you can connect TradingView with the help of Binance. Cool stuff. If you want to learn more about this or anything else in this video, as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. XRP becomes the top traded asset on South Korea's Bithumb, surpassing Bitcoin. So where is the XRP rallying come? Again, Asian markets. We've talked about this before, and I've got juicy stats to show you. And here's the cool part. It'll all be linked down below, so all you got to do is follow the volume to see how long this lasts. But what else do we got? We got something with Ledger that's going to scare the ever-living shit out of people. Crypto world rocked. Ledger admits key extraction is possible. Yeah, guess what? Ledger tried to delete the tweet, but girlfriend, people saved it. In a shocking turn of events that reverberated across the cryptocurrency landscape, Ledger, a leading manufacturer of crypto wallets, which I know a lot of you use, conceded that it holds the latent ability to gain access to user keys. Not your keys, not your crypto? Whoa, not so fast. This alarming revelation, which surfaced during a discussion about the company's new wallet recovery service, has stirred a whirlwind of anxiety and uncertainty among its user base. Listen to this. This is from Ledger, okay? Hi. Your private keys never leave the secure element chip, which has never been hacked. The secure element is third-party certified and is the same technology used as passports and credit cards. A firmware update cannot extract private keys from the secure element. Now, this is a response from Ledger support. Technically speaking, it is and always has been possible to write firmware that facilitates key extraction. You have always trusted Ledger not to deploy such firmware, whether you knew it or not. So basically, Ledger is saying, yeah, we could create something to take the keys. We could easily do it. You are trusting us, though, not to do that. Trust in the cryptoverse, that's kind of hard. This tweet and everything else also will be linked down below. Seriously, this is a whole bunch of people out there squirming and afraid. Because if we can't trust exchanges, we can't trust ledgers, and if companies could write firmware that could extract private keys, what the hell do we got left? Oh, more crypto firms will leave the US due to confusing regulations. This is coming from Brad Garlinghouse. Garlinghouse noted that Europe, UAE, and the UK are providing clarity and leadership on regulating digital assets. By the way, the UK, there's a big push right now to regulate crypto like gambling. Interesting stuff. Their efforts allow founders and investors to engage constructively with watchdogs and authorities. He asserted that Europe is a beneficiary of the current situation in America. Here's what Brad Garlinghouse said. I think it's fair to say that the US has made it as confusing as possible as what the rules in the road are for the crypto industry. As you described, the US SEC has really been at the forefront of that confusion. Unfortunately, that has encouraged companies like Ripple to invest more outside of the US. Ripple just bought a custody partner outside of the US, so they are following through. Now, earlier I said, hey, if you want to know how long the XRP rally will last, check the exchange volume. I'm telling you, that's all you got to do. The previous rally that we had, where XRP was moving its way on up to 60 cents, was all fueled by the exchanges out in Asia. So let's swing it on over to Bithumb, specifically XRP, top traded pair, higher than Bitcoin, higher than Ethereum, higher than Doge, higher than PayPay. What about Upbit? Oh, bang, girlfriend, XRP at the top again, with the Korean won as the pairing. Passing Bitcoin, Axie Infinity, Stacks, Status, Wax, a whole bunch of them. Let's go to Bybit. Now look at Bybit, all right? Fifth in volume. We've got 2 Bitcoin pairs and 2 Ethereum pairs. But what you could see, these smaller ones like Bithumb and Upbit are fueling the rally. This is the exact same playbook we saw at the end of March going into April. This is identical. So if you want to know how long will the XRP rally last, all you got to do is check out these volumes on the exchanges, because once the volume went down, the price went down as the trading action went somewhere else. So if you want to know how long this action will last, check out the links I got below, follow the volume for yourself, check it several times a day, and see if those XRP pairs are near the top or if they're sliding back down. Okay, so we got to trust Ledger, just like we should trust other people in crypto. Oh my God, this is sucky. I don't mean to make a joke of it, but it's true, right? We got to put our trust in these companies, and let's hope to God these companies do what's right. If Ledger out there is saying that, you know what, we could create a firmware to steal your keys, what faith are we having in the security of crypto custody? Didn't you also notice that the US is pushing for different custody rules, more stricter custody rules? Yeah, to prevent stuff like this, to give people protections, and also make it next to impossible for exchanges like Coinbase to make money, because they would have to outsource custody, impacting their profit and loss statements. More expenses, right? You got Brad Garlinghouse out there saying, hey, you know what? U.S. laws are pushing companies like Ripple Labs outside of the United States to where more defined laws are being, well, publicly put. We also have the Asian markets out there propping up XRP price action on the news that the Hinman docs will be released. Now, let's be real here. Will that really help the case? No. But it's helping fuel the market. At this point in time, I think we will take whatever we can get. Keep your eye on those exchanges, because as you see those XRP pairs slide down, that's how you know the rally is over and we're going back to normal price times.